I'm Chelsea McDougall, editor of Labels and Labeling magazine. We're here at Labelexpo Asia 2025. I'm here to talk about the Spotlight on Sustainability Trail. As you know, sustainability is no longer optional. For label converters across the globe, it gives them a competitive edge. The Spotlight on Sustainability Trail highlights products, technologies, and materials that move the needle on sustainability here in Southeast Asia and across the globe. Follow along as we talk to the companies participating at this year's Labelexpo Asia 2025.
Well, here at Labelexpo, we show our automated waste handling system, where we show that you can take, for example, label waste or flexible waste from your production, so it makes your entire production more lean, more clean, more efficient.
We are from Amoimak Global. So for the Southeast Asia Labelexpo, we are showcasing the innovative solution, which is our product. Normally, we use the base PET film. The thickness is about 4.5 micron. So we are trying to innovate the market to use a thinner PET film to the 4 micron. So for one roll of thermal transfer ribbon, the customer can use 12% less plastic PET film.
For this show this year, we proudly present the most effective way to reduce the waste in order to decrease the carbon footprint as well. We call this product in a name as Slim Program. So Slim Program means we get the film on our foil slimmer in the half, 50% slimmer PET carrier. Normally the PET carrier is a waste in the industrial process. So rather than making the film recyclable, which is very hard and very in big investment, we reduce the waste and make the roll longer.
So in K-Laser Thailand, we provide sustainable products such as cold foil, hot stamping foil, and also transfer, which is our main target customers that doesn't like end products with plastic film on them. So in order to hit the sustainability point, we remove the plastic while remaining the same beautiful and holographic effect for all of our products.
As a company, not only using eco-friendly raw materials, but also we're trying to reduce our CO2 emissions within our production facility. One of the examples is we are trying to reduce 50% of the CO2 emission until 2015.
So at Labelexpo this year, our main focus is our in-mold labels, which is basically labels without any back paper adhering to the bottle through with what we call is in the mold through fusion. And this year's focus is what we call clean sort. What happens is basically that in mold, the appeal of in-mold labeling is that you can recycle the label and the bottle together in the process, but what happens is that you get ink in the recycled resins. But what happens with clean sort is that we designed it in a way that in the grinding process, the label detaches from the bottle, and through air separation, you separate the label and the bottle flakes, and therefore get ink-free recycled resins, which is considered the highest quality resins that you can get.
The reason we participate in the sustainability is because we know the world is moving that way, and we want to be part of, saving the world group. And we have a couple of products that are moving that way also, which is our plate. So Asahi water washable plate. Asahi is able to wash the plate without any detergent, using water only, and they are doing all kind of recycling, water recycling as well. So we are very happy about that. And also GW for the UV LED, which is at the back here. So, we want to try to move customer toward lower energy, the technology will help save the customer cost and also save the world.
My name is John, so I'm from Material and Works Company. Basically what we do, so labor waste been known as one of the prominent waste go to landfill in this region. So what we do basically is we upcycle this labor waste especially for liner waste. So we turn them into a pulp, whereby you can use them to make into paper product again.
Yes, Cosmo Films working on majorly on the sustainable practices. Currently we are into somehow, if we talk about the face stock, we are into PIR, that is post-industrial recyclable. We have come into PCR, that is post-consumer recyclable. And apart from that, we are doing number of laminated structure that has been converted to a sustainable structure. Let's say BOPP plus BOPP, BOPP plus CPP, as both are from the same family.